So, welcome back guys. I have finally fixed the sound. I now using my camera.
Bombastic side eye.
Phone camera, I mean. And today we're gonna swap out the emblem on the E36 because the emblem on that car is really bad shape. And here's the new one. I have gone for the black one. I actually wanted the black and white one, but I couldn't find any in the right size, and those was really cheap too. It's a little bit of a mess in the garage because I have been cleaning, and I have also taken out the carpet from the trunk because there was a lot of mold, and that needs to be removed. So I'm gonna show how bad this emblem is. I have also made a wall of Coca-Cola. So as you can see, this is really bad. And in the front is not that bad. It actually looks really clean, but we're gonna change that anyway. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. And if you wanna comment, you're doing this the wrong way. And as long as looking good and it sticks and it works, it's fine. Do it your way.
Live a little, that is what they said when you turn around and left for good. But the taste is bitter, lonely in my bed, keep thinking about what we once had. It's true, but it's hard to get over such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No matter what I do, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. I keep on.
So that's how easy it is to just swap out your emblem. And if I did anything wrong, I don't think I did anything wrong, because it worked absolutely fine, and it sticks and it looks amazing. Those black emblem really made it look so good. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Girls with their nails done.